In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom emojis on iPhone iOS 18. So what we're going to be utilizing is the Genmoji feature with Apple Intelligence. So this is what you do, guys, right? Step by step. So what you want to do first is you want to go ahead and tap on a text field, such as this. Is just tap on these icons, either the smiley face of the world icon to switch to the emoji keyboard, okay? Then you just want to tap this icon at the top right corner of the on-screen keyboard, and then you just need to enter a description, right, of what you want the AI to generate. For example, a rainbow cactus, right? And once you're happy, just tap done, and then you can go ahead and add this Genmoji to your message by just tapping on this add button. Really that easy and simple. You can generate different Genmojis like this. And so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications to get notified of the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.